Hi everyone. Welcome to the Game Level channel. Today I want to teach you how you can play all video and audio files in any format on your computer without any problems. For this purpose, we use the K-lite Mega Codec. By installing the K-lite Codec pack, you can play all available formats using programs such as Jet Audio and Windows Media Player. In this case, you no longer need to install Real Player to play RM and RAM files, or to play files MOV. You do not need to install QuickTime. You do not need to install a plugin or program such as Power DVD to play DVD and SVCD pack software. First we open the browser. Search for K-lite Mega Codec Pack. Click on Download K-lite Codec Pack Mega. Click on the Server 1 in the Codec Guide website. After the download is complete, close the browser. Open the downloaded setup file. Click on Run. In this section, select the Advanced option and click Next. Here the software offers us in connection with a selection of the default video player. This message will be different depending on the players installed on your system. I select No. I chose Jet Audio as the default video player here. In this section, you can select the default audio player from the available players. Click Next. From this section you can specify the software storage location. Click Next. In this section, check the MP3 (LAME) option. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. In this section you can select primary, secondary and tertiary languages. I choose Spanish as my second language. Click Next. In this section, depending on whether the system is 32-bit or 64-bit, check the options. Click Next. In this section, we can manually select the desired format for installation or select all formats by clicking on All Video and All Audio. Click Next. In this part, we act as in the previous step. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click on Install. Installation completed successfully. Click Finish. I hope you found this video useful. If you want, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click the bell, a notification will be sent to you as soon as a new video of me is released. Thanks for watching this video.